11 Superfoods that reverse the effects of aging on skin. As you get older, your skin naturally becomes less elastic and more fragile. Decreased production of natural oils dries your skin and makes it appear more dry and splotchy. This means that you will notice some changes on your skin as you get older, but that's completely normal. We all know that we can't stop the time, but there are some powerful foods that can help you slow down the aging process and reverse the effects of aging on skin. When you notice this changes for the first time, you will be surprised. You might think it is something you have been eating, but you already know that you didn't change anything in your diet. And finally you realize that your skin is aging. Yeah, you probably think, I'm not that old, but that's not the thing you should be concerned about. It's time to look closely into your diet, and it is time to make some changes. As we said, there are some foods that can improve the health of your skin and reverse the effects of aging on skin. Yes, you should eat healthy. You should eat lots of green leafy vegetables, drink 60 ounces of water every day, and don't consume sugar or sugary stuff. And when it comes to meat, you should eat more salmon and turkey breast. But we all know that's not enough. You should add more superfoods to your healthy diet in order to improve the health of your skin and reverse the effects of aging on skin. You should consume these foods every day. 11 Best Superfoods for your aging skin. Almonds. Almonds contain high amounts of vitamin E, and they are really amazing for the health of your skin. We can also mention that they are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which improve the function and support the brain, heart and joint health. Make sure you eat a handful daily or sprinkling over some salads or oatmeal. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is really amazing and extremely useful if your skin is very dry. It's also very helpful with wrinkles and smoothing out your skin tone. You should definitely start using coconut oil for cooking purposes or add it into your smoothies. Avocado. Avocados are really wonderful and effective as a face mask. Or just add avocado into your favorite salad, because they are loaded with omega-3 and vitamin E oil. Bell peppers. Bell peppers, red, green, orange, yellow, are also very useful for the health of your skin. They contain high amounts of vitamin C, which is extremely important and useful for dry skin. We can also mention that bell peppers help with collagen production as well. Spinach. Spinach is loaded with healthy nutrients such as vitamin E, vitamin C, beta-carotene, etc. Spinach is very useful and effective in slowing down the aging process of the skin. This amazing and super healthy veggie also helps in protecting the skin from UV rays. This is why you should eat at least 1 cup of spinach per day. You can add it to your favorite salads, smoothies, and soups. Chia seeds. You can use these amazing seeds in many different ways. You can add chia seeds to your favorite smoothies, oatmeal and yogurt. Chia seeds are full of omega-3 protein and fiber. We can also mention that chia seeds are also very useful in fighting inflammation. You should try this chia seed pudding recipe. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to blend a palmful with 2 cups of milk, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and 2 teaspoons of dried fruit, dates, currants, figs, etc. Enjoy your chia seed pudding. Aronia berries. Did you know that aronia berries are even better than blueberries? Aronia berries are extremely powerful and strong antioxidants. Aronia berries can provide many health benefits such as reduce inflammations, minimize acne and wrinkles, and increase blood circulation. These berries are very tart and can be used in muffins, smoothies, or made as a jam. Dark chocolate. Did you know that dark chocolate is very good for your skin? Well, yes, it helps keep the skin hydrated, protecting it from sun damage, and does not cause acne. The dark chocolate has at least 85% cocoa and is not sweet. Cilantro. Cilantro is packed with many healthy nutrients such as beta-carotene, vitamin C and folates, which are amazing for the health of your skin. You can add cilantro into your favorite soups and salads. This amazing and super healthy herb is also good for cardiovascular health and lowering blood pressure. Grapes. The skin of grapes is loaded with the compound resveratrol, which fights against inflammation and it slows down the aging process significantly. You can add them into your favorite smoothies or eat them as a snack. Just put them in a refrigerator and use them as a refreshing snack on a hot day. Blueberries. You should know that blueberries are amazing for the immune system and the skin health. They also help in reducing the appearance of it as well as assist with blemish and acne. They have an added benefit as a good source of fiber. Note, even though blueberries don't cause any bad side effects, you should still consult your doctor first before you add blueberries into your healthy diet. They are good source of vitamin K, anticoagulant. So for people who already take the recommended amount of this vitamin might pose a risk with a sudden increase. Blueberries can lower the level of blood sugar in diabetics, so the consumption of berries should go hand in hand with monitoring for signs of hypoglycemia. This is really important. Women who are pregnant or breastfeeding should consume blueberries in moderation, as the risks posed in consuming larger amounts is not known yet. You should start consuming these superfoods every day because they can improve the health of your skin significantly and reverse the effects of aging on your skin. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.